So practically, I'm just going to test the same resistance value that we calculated in Ohm's law in this circuit in the breadboard. So here the red LED is rated at 2 volt 20 milliamps as per our theory calculation, and here is the 9 volt battery. I have added a 330 ohms resistor across the circuit, and you can clearly see the lamp is glowing at maximum intensity. When I increase the resistance value, you can clearly see there is limitation of current and the lamp is glowing dim. And when I decrease the resistance value, you can clearly see the lamp is burnt out. So this is how Ohm's law is helpful for finding the resistance value for LEDs in any circuit. I hope in this video you understood what is Ohm's law and how you can utilize the Ohm's law for calculating the resistance value of a resistor in a circuit. For more videos like this, like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.